How to see battery health on iPhone or iPad. To check the battery health on your iPhone or iPad, this video is a short guide to help you out. To check the battery health, first of all, you have to launch the setting application on your iPhone or iPad. Once you are on your settings homepage, scroll down and select battery from the list of options. In the battery settings, tap on battery health and charging options available. Here you will see the important information about your battery. There you will see maximum capacity. This shows the percentage of your battery's capacity related to when it was new. A lower percentage may indicate that your battery holds less charge than it used to. So in this way you can easily check battery health. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.